another city, another country, my first time. Super excited to be here. So now I'm in some shady freaking back alley, which feels really safe. Split is really nice. Me and my company, aka my parents, are kind of hungry, so we have stopped at Marta's Veggie Fusion to grab a bite of food for a little while, and then we'll go back to exploring this city a bit more. And I cannot wait to see more of what this city has to offer. Except we're not staying in Split. We are moving on tomorrow to a place called Baška Voda, something like that. Sorry for butchering the pronunciation. I really don't know the Croatian language. We'll try to learn a bit though. I'll do my best. Right. Those are some large lemons. The best way to get to know a city is to get lost in it. And with that, I just want to say that I don't know where I am, but I will find out as soon as I keep getting a bit more lost until I find myself.
Oh my god, there's so many cats!
Croatia, and it's actually much less crowded during the evening for some reason. So it's very quiet, kind of chilly. I'm kind of feeling the chills coming on, but it's not exactly cold. Still enjoying the weather, and the view from here is absolutely beautiful.